Hey guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store, and today we are going to be talking about how to care for cane to keep it looking great for many years. We're constantly being asked questions all about cane, so this is going to be part of a series on Q&As, so subscribe down below so you don't miss anything, and we can get started with the basics. What is cane made out of? Cane webbing is made from the outer skin of the rattan vine, which is a part of the palm family and has really long, thin stems. Once processed, it can be hand woven, or it can be woven with a machine that is similar to a loom. Where does it come from? The use of cane webbing dates all the way back to ancient Egypt and likely originated in Southeast Asia, but was quickly popularized all around the world. Like all good trends, cane webbing is making a comeback in the interior design scene, and we love to see it. Yes, we do! How to care for rattan and cane. Cane webbing is a light, buttery tan color when it's fresh, but it's important to note that over time, cane does darken. So that's why when you see older cane furniture, it looks more like this. The care instructions for cane are really simple. Keep it out of direct sunlight and keep it moisturized. Occasionally applying linseed oil very lightly to the furniture. After you apply the oil, gently wipe it away with a clean, lint-free towel and wait a few hours for it to fully dry before sitting or placing anything on the furniture piece. Like I said before, this is a part of a series, so go on down and subscribe if you're interested in learning how to paint cane, how to replace cane, and what tools you're going to need to fix a cane chair. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.